And then if you maybe go back to the menu that shows the different drone brands, just on the left.
Oh yeah, sure.
Just on the left. So I think in terms of the We Get Around Network forum community, WGAN forum.com, I would say probably the versions of the DJI, the Mavic, Mavic Air, Inspire, Phantom. In fact, I've heard conversations about nearly all the drones there.
Right.
So that's good. So that means that there may already be a pre-configured style. So maybe we could just pick maybe a Mavic Air maybe to start there. So and then it looks like it sorts. So you have one design.
So we have one design for that Mavic Air right there, correct? And then if you want to, let's say the Mavic Mini, so there should be another one over there for the Mavic Mini. So we don't usually have too many pre-made designs because it exponentially grows, right? Because you can really put almost anything into your case. So that's why we start with a basic setting, and then you can add anything else you want to it from there. Yes. And then if you, let's say, go to, the Inspire, then you're going to get some more over here with landing gear, with travel mode. So the different methods for the cases.
Okay, cool.